Rain up just before the red carpet. He warmed up the atmosphere with his last photo shoot and made his fans unable to speak. Beautiful and talented Yağmur Yüksel before a great award ceremony. He shared a series of mouth-dropping photos on his social media. Wearing an elegant but bold black dress that wraps around her body perfectly, Yağmur stunned her fans and followers. In photos taken in a luxury hotel, Rain poses confidently with her glamorous makeup and straight hair. And with every inch, looks like a star. Explanation: I'm ready for Kazan Mava. And I'm definitely ready to win. And it certainly seemed to fit the role. Photos went viral within minutes, thousands of likes, and received reviews praising her beauty, self-confidence, and sense of style. Many say she was the queen of the night even before the event began. Fashion bloggers and entertainment sites too. He pointed to this and showed his appearance as one of the most important moments of the night. With his talent and fashion sense, it is not surprising that Rain continues to shine in every way possible, both on and off screen. The prize is a gorgeous night and a gorgeous bouquet. Rain. Yüksel's night was full of surprises with the contributions of his actor friend Baktaş at last night's prestigious awards ceremony. Actress Yağmur Yüksel not only won a trophy, also received a heartwarming gesture from his co-star and, according to rumors, close friend Baktaş. As Yağmur descends from the stage with the Best Rising Talent Award, Peace was waiting with a bouquet of flowers. It quickly went viral online as fans praised the duo's warm chemistry and supportive friendships. He handed out a set of beautifully arranged red and white roses and congratulated her with a heartfelt smile. The cameras captured the moment Rain blushed and thanked him and created excitement about their ties outside the screen. Although it does not confirm a romantic relationship, fans wondering, is there more to it than friendship between these two rising stars? Whether it's friendship or more, one thing is clear: Peace and Rain are now two of the brightest talents in Turkish TV series. And moments like these contribute to magic. Want to see the viral clip? Follow our Instagram page and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.